What if you could get copywriting clients simply by reading magazines? In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy and email template that you can use to attract high-paying clients, even if you're a beginner with no experience. Many writers complain about low-paying clients on websites like Upwork. However, there are many clients willing to spend thousands of dollars if you know where to look. So the key to earning $5,000 per copywriting project is to find clients who charge a high fee for their own services. And here are 10 different professions that charge thousands of dollars for their services: cosmetic dentists, plastic surgeons, lawyers, financial planners, architects, engineers, IT consultants, real estate agents, event organizers, and veterinarians. These professionals wouldn't hesitate to pay a copywriter thousands of dollars for a copywriting project. Because if your copy brings in just one more client, then your high fees will have paid for itself. And that's exactly what happened to me. An event organizer once hired me to write all of the marketing materials required to market their various events for a full 2 years. So these business owners don't have the time or interest to write their own copy, and so they often delegate copywriting to one of their own employees. And because their employee is not a trained copywriter, the copy is usually mediocre and fails to produce good results. So this is a great opportunity for a professional copywriter like you to step in and take over. So how do you find these companies and contact the right person so you can get hired? So the first important step is to decide the industry that you want to write for. It helps if you have prior experience or knowledge. So for this example, let's say you choose the real estate industry. The next step is to find the trade magazines in your industry. You can do this by simply searching Google for industry magazines. For example, real estate magazines, and Google will show the magazine websites where you can find the latest issues of the magazines online and even the back issues. The next step is to go through each issue and look for companies that are advertising in the magazines. Take a screenshot image of each advertisement and then save it to your computer. We'll be using this later. As a copywriter, you'll probably notice a lot of mistakes that they're making in their advertisements. I mean, the copy is probably going to be terrible. There's going to be a weak headline, no call to action, or just boring copy. So the next step is to search LinkedIn for these companies and locate the name of the marketing manager at each of the companies. You can find their email address by looking on the hunter.io website as well. Now, once you find this information, add it to a spreadsheet and make sure to add the company name, first name, last name, image of the ad, first contact date, and a follow-up date into separate columns. So you want to continue looking through the magazine issues that you find, finding and saving the ads, and then add them into the spreadsheet until you have a database of at least 50 companies that you can reach out to. And the final step is to send an outreach email to each of those companies. Here is the email template that you can use. It's worked for me, and be sure to replace the placeholders with personalized information. Subject line: your ad in magazine. First name: hi, first name. Recently, I came across your engaging ad in magazine name, and it sparked some thoughts. As a freelance copywriter with expertise in industry, I've successfully enhanced ad responses for similar businesses. Your ad has great potential, and I believe with specific tweaks could significantly boost its impact. Would you be interested in a brief outline of actionable improvements tailored to your ad? I've attached a screenshot of your ad for reference. Regards, your name, contact information. And there you have it, a proven step-by-step strategy for finding and reaching out to high-paying clients. If you would like more client-getting strategies like this, then be sure to subscribe to my free weekly newsletter, which you can find at startcopywriting.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.